Hi, today teardown of the free CCD assembly from the craptacular Sony ENG camera. So I did already tinker a little bit with it and managed to unglue one of the CCDs. In fact, you can see there is a kind of clamp here. It is soldered in place with regular solder, I guess, in factory. So it is where they adjust the CCD relatively to the prism, it seems. They must have a special jig to align it properly, and then they solder. Because this part, I believe, is provided glued on the prism assembly. I did unglue it, in fact, while trying to pop the solders off here. Like so, I was trying to pop the solders with a set of pliers, and it did in fact unglue. So this is quite easy to undo. We have some piece of rubber here and one of the free CCDs. You can notice the wire harness are attached to these PCBs. Here we have a sticker with some calibration data, it seems, for each one of the colors. So this is interesting. And now I will continue to take it apart. So I see a big screw here, but I do not know if it will allow to remove the whole prism assembly. First I am undoing these ground wires. So here we have two wires in common, but this one is separated, quite weird. So I guess if I use a screwdriver as a pry bar, it will unglue. Yes, exactly the same way. So in fact it is quite easy to unglue. And probably if you drop the camera, you may accidentally unglue one of the CCDs, which should be really bad. If you are hired at a TV station as a cameraman and you drop the camera. Okay, so the three CCDs are now removed. We can see here the three channels of the prism assembly. Blue, green and red. The connector here for the lens mount. What do we have? We have this piece, it is the lens attachment. In fact, I guess it looks like we have a set screw here. Yes. So I can now undo completely this lens securing piece. So it may be useful for another camera, maybe. I will keep this after a little bit of cleaning. Here we have some index for aligning the lens. And we have a very bad air cut filter, as you can see. Completely foggy, this one. It will not be possible to reuse it. In fact, it is just good to be discarded. So it is a really common issue with these air cut filters on Sony cameras. You can see we have a stack of glass pieces, 2 or 3 it seems, and there is a foggy thing that grows, maybe they delaminate or something like this between the layers. Now we can see better the prism assembly. So it is quite fun because in fact I can see the 3 colors in here. So this is the filter wheel in this part. Not sure how easy it will be to undo it, because I can see a circlip here to undo first, and it seems it will be very complicated to undo this circlip because we have no access to it in fact. So let's first try to remove the prism. You can see it is bonded fully, and yes, maybe it is way too small. Maybe this screw on the side is the only thing keeping the prism in place, but I guess we also have some glue. It looks like we have a mounting piece here which is not glass, and I am putting my fingers over the delicate optics. Yes. Oh. Something did flow away. Maybe I have a second screw. Yes, hidden behind the sticker, of course. It is why he did not want to come. Probably it will be much more easy now. Yes, you can see we have locating pins to align it properly, and here is the prism assembly. Now we can access to the filter wheel. So for this filter wheel, what do we have? Get rid of this screw here. We have just 4 small screws, I guess. This is just an aluminum cover. 5 screws. And wow, they are really tight. Yes, there is a Loctite over the threads. Must be wide. Ready? Okay. Two remaining, and of course Murphy's Law. You already know what is going to happen. The last screw will not want to come off. This is exactly what you can expect with Murphy's Law. Ah, it is coming. Murphy must be sleeping. Okay, no. It is interesting. Maybe it's just, yes, some kind of glued in place. And here is what we have. We have this filter wheel, a nice brass piece back here in this gear, some spring-loaded roller here to stop for rotation, and more screws to undo, probably. Really tight, as you can bet. This is not good. Oh, annoying. This one maybe. Yes. And this one. Oh, maybe it is. I suspect it may be left threaded. No, it is not left threaded, but it is really stuck in place. So the goal is reached anyway. You can see what there is inside. I will take care of this screw later. Try not to damage the delicate filters, even if they do already have fingerprints on them. This little thing here is just the interconnect to the lens. So this glue is coming easily. Is it well designed? Yes. Quite nice little piece. And here is the main assembly. By the way, this is probably the most expensive part of the whole camera. In particular, this nice prism assembly. Here is the model number for you, and they are all individually serial numbered, of course. So this is a keeper. About the CCD assemblies, I do not know what to do with them. Pretty old school stuff. Okay, so I guess it is the end of the line for this thing. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.